So here we'll create all 4 of these accounts and all 11 contacts in one fell swoop. Let's take a quick look over at Salesforce, and you can see in this Salesforce instance, there are no accounts or contacts created this week, or no accounts created this week. Take a look behind the scenes here, and you can see that we've got account name, account phone number, and then some associated contact fields as well. I'm also going to add job title. So I'll type title and choose contacts title, next, and save. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this to load the table. Now there's a couple ways that I can map information from this table. I can copy and paste, or I can actually use a formula. In this case, I'll do both. Since I'm using formulas, I want to make sure that the format of the field is general, so I'll just copy that and paste it across the entire table. Here it's just a real simple formula, equal sign, and then reference this particular worksheet. And then I can bring that information out, just drag it down until I see some zeros when I know there's no matches, and get rid of those last 2 rows. And since I know that I've got this lined up properly, I can also just drag to get the phone numbers. Now let's just copy and paste so you can see the other way for the first name, last name, phone number, and job title. So we'll copy that, and we'll paste it over here. Now we're ready to send this information up to Salesforce. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update all rows, and we'll create 4 new accounts and 11 new contacts in just a second or so. Let's take a look over at Salesforce. Go ahead and click on Refresh, and you can see the 4 new companies that were created. Let's click on Appleseeds and take a look at the contacts that were created as well. So come down to Appleseeds, and there's the 2 contacts. So in one fell swoop, we created accounts and contacts. Pretty cool.